Hi guys, good morning. Happy Sunday and welcome to my YouTube channel, the Explicit Tutorials. We are still discussing or we are still solving questions on mirrors. We have some questions on the board. If time permits, we can solve more questions, okay? It said a mirror forms an erect image 30 centimeters, so which means that V is 30 centimeters, all right? From the objects and twice it had, and that tells you twice is what? Magnification. So let u be what? X. U wasn't given. It said where must the mirror be placed? I do not know. So if u is x, it means that v becomes x minus what? 30. So magnification is equals minus v over what? U. Magnification is what? 2, then minus open bracket x minus 30 over what? X. All right, minus 30 over x. Let's simplify further. Minus times x is minus x. Minus times minus is plus 30 over what? X. 2 times x, I have 2x, I have minus x plus what? 30. So what do we do next? We collect like terms. So this will come over, it becomes 3x equals what? 30. It therefore means that my x is what? 10 centimeters. 10 centimeters. So that is what we have gotten as what? X. However, for we to have the final image distance, is change in image distance equals 10 minus 20. That's, sorry, 10 minus 30, and that will give me what? Minus 20 centimeters. All right. However, the image or the mirror will place 10 centimeters away from the image. All right. The up there is the mirror will be placed 10 centimeters away from the image. All right. So the next one is, it said, what is the radius of curvature? Radius of curvature is arrow equals what? 2f. But f wasn't given, we have to calculate for f first. So f is equals uv over u plus what? V. U, what is u? I have my u as 10, then times v, which is minus 20, over u 10 plus minus 20. This minus 200 over plus times minus is minus. So 10 minus 20 is what? Minus 10. So this will go into this will go into this. It means that my focal length now becomes what? 20 centimeters. 20 centimeters. So that is for that. But that is not the final answer. It said, what is the radius of curvature? So whenever you see your f, you put 2, right? So radius of curvature is equals 2 times 20, and that will give me what? 40 centimeters. So the radius of curvature is 20 centimeters. Focal length, radius of curvature is 40 centimeters. Focal length 20 centimeters, and it must be placed 10 centimeters. All right. So please take note of that. Number 2. What is number 2? They said a convex mirror has a radius. A convex mirror, if this word, a convex mirror, it tells you that the radius of curvature is negative, because I told that the radius of curvature and focal length of a convex mirror are negative. So I'll have it as what? Minus 0.55 meters. All right. Okay, and u is what? 10 centimeters. So what do we do next? Don't forget that radius of curvature is equals what? 2f. You have 0 minus 0.55 equals 2f. Divide both sides by 2. So my f therefore becomes minus 0.275. Please let me confirm this. 0.55 divided by 2, 0.275 centimeters. You see, the focal length will always be negative since it is what? A convex mirror. All right. Now, what is the next thing? They said Calculate the position of the image. Calculate the position of what? The image. So it means that V is equals UF over U minus what? F. U is what? 10 times minus F is minus 0.275 over U is 10 minus 0.275. So V is equals 10 times, that is 10 times 0.275 equals 2.75, don't forget minus, over, minus times minus is what? Plus. So 10 plus this, 0.275 plus 10. That will give me 10.275. So divide 2.75 divided by 10.275 equals minus 267 centimeters. Sorry, that is 2.6. Is it? What is wrong with me? 0.267 centimeters. So this is the final answer, which means that the image is virtual. It's a virtual image. Since we are having that what? Negative. It was plus. If it was plus, it would have been what? Real image. So that is all about question 2. Number three. It said an object is 36 centimeters from a converging lens or focal length. So which means that U is 36 centimeters. Focal length is what? 24 centimeters. And the image height is what? 4 centimeters. An object is 36 centimeters from a converging lens or focal length 24. If a real image which is 4 centimeters high, that tells you what? The image height. Calculate the height of the object. We do not know. So don't forget, from our formula we have that F equals UV over U plus what? V. So which F was given as what? 24, right? Then F was given as 24, then U is 36, as 36V over U 36 plus what? V. So what do we do next? We cross multiply. So this 36V equals 24 or bracket 36 plus what? V. So this 36V equals 24 times 36. 24 times 36 equals 884 plus 24V. So what do I do next? We collect them. That is 36V minus, because it's coming over, 24V equals what? 884. So what do we do next? 36 minus 24 equals 12V equals what? 884. So 884 divided by 12, V therefore becomes 74 centimeters. Let me take it again for a better understanding. U was given, F was given as what? 24, which is the focal length, 24, and the object distance was given as what? 36. You have your V. Then U is also 36 plus V. What do you do next? You cross multiply. So this over 1, this times this same thing as what? This. So this, we multiply this. This times this is what? This. And this times this is what? This. Equal like terms. So 36 minus 24. 36 minus 24. You have what? 12V. Alright, 12V. So you have this left. So 12V divided by this, you have what? 74 centimeter approximately. Is that the final answer? No. We said we should calculate the height of the object. We should calculate for the height of the object. So let me rub off this part. Don't forget that we have image, okay, image height over object height, it's also this other formula for what, magnification, equals image distance over object's distance. All right, the image height as given, I think the image height was given a question. Okay, image height here is what? 74, and we are looking for what? The objects, we are looking for what? The object height, and that is what? X equals image distance an object is 36 centimeter, okay. But let me check this very well. Image height, an object is 36 centimeter from a convergent lens or focal length. If a real image is, okay, sorry, is 4, then now you now have what? 74 centimeter over object distance is what? 36. Yeah, so it's very important you do this carefully. So what do we do next? Let's take it again. An object is 36 centimeter from a converging lens. So which is so that this one is what? The object's distance, which is what? 36. If the real image, which is, you can say that is image distance, and that is what? What am I doing now? If a real image, which there is image distance now, is it image distance now? Image height. Let me see. If a real image which is 4 centimeter, okay, yeah, 4 centimeter high, that is image height. Yeah, so this thing is confused sometimes. So image height is 4, so we have to calculate for what? The object height. All right. So what do we do next? You cross multiply. This means we have 74x equals 36 times 4, 144. So x is equals 144 divided by 74. I'll have 1 point. Okay, I'll just this. I had it to be 1.9. So the answer is going to be what? 2 centimeters. Nice. So I'll just run it off to nearest significant what? Figure. Nearest significant figure. That will be what? 2. 1.9 approximated to 2. So that is the final answer. This place almost confused me just now. God forbid. Alright, so that is number 3. And this one I just solved is not on your textbook. Alright, I love the question. That was why I brought it up. So this particular one is not on your textbook. Alright, let's solve more questions that you have on your textbook. All right, that should be number what number now? Okay, that is number 7 now. They said an object is placed 2.0 centimeter in front of a concave mirror. In front, which means my u now becomes 2.0 centimeters in front of the concave mirror whose radius of curvature, I told you that in a concave mirror, radius of curvature is always what? Positive. 8.0 centimeters. Find the position of the image, size and its what? Orientation. Size and its what? Orientation. Now, I told you that radius of curvature is 2f. You have it to be 8 equals 2f. So divide both sides by 2. F is equals what? 4 centimeters. 4 centimeters, alright? So what do we do next? So now calculate the magnification of this image. It is m equals minus v over what? U. This minus v now. Okay, the v, we don't have v in the question. So what do we do next? We'll say v equals uf over u minus what? F. We have to calculate for what? V in that case. So v is equals, u is what? 2 times f is what? 4 over u is 2 plus 4. So v is equals 8 over what? 6. 8 over what? 6. I believe that is correct. What am I doing? U minus f now. Minus f. So, which means that, don't mind me, I'm getting tired already. So, 2 minus f is what? Minus what? 2. So, I now have that v is equals what? Minus 4. Alright? I have my v as what? Minus what? 4. If it's minus 4, so it means that the image is what? Virtual. If it was positive, it would have been what? Real. It would have been what? Real. Okay? So to calculate for the magnification now, it becomes minus 4 over 2. I have that. Okay, minus times minus is plus. So 4 divided by 2 is what? 2. Therefore, the image is what? Magnified. Yes, how do we know all these things? Watch the first video I did, that when the absolute value of magnification is greater than 1, it means that the image is what? Magnified. It's magnified or enlarged. But when the absolute value of m is less than 1, it means that the image is what? Reduced or diminished. But if the absolute value of m is equals 1, it means that the image is real or true. So, in conclusion, focal length is 4 centimeters. Magnification, that is the object, the image is magnified, and of course it is what? Virtual, because it is what? Negative. Alright? Please take note of that. That is okay. Let me check what they got here. Yes, 4 centimeters behind the mirror. Yes, it's virtual enlarged, which is also called magnified. I don't call it enlarged, just as I stated here, it's also called what? Magnified image. Alright? So number what again? Number 8.8, that is number 8. Number 8. A child look at a reflecting Christmas trees that has diameter 9.0 centimeters, 9.0 centimeters, and sees an image of her face that is half the real size. How far is the child's face from the ball? Alright, so we know that radius is equals diameter over what? 2. Which means that radius is equals 9 divided by 2, and that will give me 4.5. Abi, 9 normally now. But may I check? I know here. So 9 divided by 2. 9 divided by 2. Yeah, 4.5. So the answer is what? 4.5. So what do we do next? They said we should look for what? They said, how far is the child's face from the ball? Don't forget that our focal length is equals radius of curvature over 2. So F is equals 4.2 as 4.5 over 2. So the answer is 4.5 divided by 2 equals 2.25. What did they get? They got 2.3. Alright. Where did I get it wrong? Let me go through it again. So I have it to be, let me check the question again. Where am I getting it wrong? 4.5 divided by 2. You have F to be 2.25 centimeters. Alright. Then where am I getting it wrong? Where am I getting it wrong? Where? F. What? Where am I getting this thing wrong now? Oh. You said think straight. Think straight. I see clearly. What is wrong with me? I'm getting tired. I'm even running off now. F is equals. If I should approximate this, what will I get? Joseph, you be Momo. So this becomes what? 3 centimeters. Oh God of Nazareth. So please, that is the final answer, right? So they said number 9, of which is the last one. You sub number 10 as your personal exercise and drop it on the comment section. They said in a particular truck mirror, there is a warning objects in the mirror appear. Okay, in a particular truck mirror, there is a warning. Objects in the mirror appear to be more closer than they appear. What kind of mirror must that be and why? The mirror is definitely a convex mirror. It's definitely what? A convex mirror. Why is it a convex mirror? We know that the images formed by a convex mirror are virtual, erect, and what? Diminished. So this is just the reason. Now look at, let me read again. You see it now. That in a particular truck mirror, there is a warning. Objects in the mirror appear to be more closer than they appear. What kind of mirror is it? That's why in a convex mirror, the image is usually what? It appears smaller, alright? So that is why it is what? Diminished. Diminished means small or what? Reduced. So solve question number 10 and drop the answer on the comment section. Please, if you know you learned something, drop it on the if you know you learned something, please endeavor to subscribe, like, share, and comment. And of course, share the link to your friends who are also in need of it. Thanks for watching. Do have a wonderful day.